Hi, for my project, I want to cover three concepts that we've learned in class with my data set. And I pulled this data set from um, Kaggle. It's a IMDb top 1000 with description. It's just the top 1,000 movies from this movie database. And the problem is there's all these top movies, but I want to find a solution using these Excel functions that we've learned in class to find the top six movies to play in my theater if I own a theater, or if someone else owned a theater and they wanted to find the top six movies. This would be a potential solution. And then I'm also able to visualize the data using charts and format it. So these are the three concepts I chose, or advanced filtering. Um, I set some ranges. I want to display movies with a rating of 8.8 or higher and a Metascore of 88, um, and votes over 20,000, um, to make it more of a credible rating. So we can put our credentials in here. We're going to do over 8.8 and over 20,000 votes. And our Metascore is also over 88. Our advanced filtering is already set to these ranges. So we have our all of our data here in the list range, and then the criteria range is looking at movie rating, votes, and Metascore. So we press OK, and it should filter to these top six movies. We see that everything is matching accordingly. I also added a new column where I fixed the gross column to substitute the M for just a blank. So I do that in this function here, a substitute. And this is the concept of formatting or parsing the text. If we have an M in there, it's used as a text, and then we can't use it in our chart later on. So I changed that, and then I copied that array of numbers down to this gross income, and the movie name, and then I was able to visualize my data in this chart, and we see that the Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, is had the highest gross in millions. And yeah, the functions definitely made it easier to find a solution to working with lots of data and filtering the data and parsing it and visualizing.